Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a Ranger haul. So, I did get things kind of semi set up, but my birds are not settling down. I tried. Okay, so this is just a darling little bag. Hold on. Sorry, I should have done this before I got on. Oh, sorry. Noise. Okay. So this is an apron. Oh my gosh, I love this. I thought it was just another bag. Oh my goodness. Love. I will be using that immediately. So this is a Ranger haul. And this is from, I think it's from like January. Yes. So when you clean out your craft area. But it's okay. It's alright. Let's see here. So, I'm going to start bringing some things up. Alrighty. Boy. So, here we go. And this is really lumpy jawed in here. I did not straighten anything up, so forgive me. Yikers. You'd think I would have done that, right? What in the world was I thinking? Okay. So, if you guys don't know, I enjoy several, if not all, of the talented people who are artists for Ranger. And I am in the process of getting back into all my junk journaling, which I had known for a while. So I picked up lots when it was on sale, and I had a big fat coupon, lots and lots of the large tags. And I was not picky. It could have been the plain Ranger. It could have been the Dilutions line. It could have been, which Dilutions is my favorite, I have to be honest. That's why you're going to see a lot of Dilutions. I even picked up some of the Dina Wakley, who I love as well. But more Dilutions. So I got every color and then more Dina Wakley. So I think I just couldn't get white in anything but Dina Wakley, which was totally fine with me. And then, I don't know, I can't remember where I got the little ones, but you can always use the little ones. So, there's all that. Love that. Yay. Thank you, Lord. So, and I have projects coming up with those. And there's a lot of stuff, guys, I know I work on, and I do it off camera, and I shouldn't be doing that, but I'm sorry. Now, my all-time favorite journals are Dilutions. They're the dialogues. So here is ruled. There are 2 ruled, and these were all on sale. And then here is backgrounds. So I don't know if I got any more of those. Yes, I did. Okay. And then I picked up 2 of the dot grid, another dot, and another dot. So hold on, I may have some more, and I do. Oh, goodness. My back's been going out, so every time I bend down here, it's just like, oh, sorry. So if you hear me making noise, I'm okay. It's just my back is being silly. So I also picked up a graph, or the grid, and these were dots. If I said grid, the dots, and that's the grid. Here's a blank. I love blank. And, of course, anything that looks thick, there's 2. And I can't remember the coupon, but it was crazy good. Hence the reason I got so many. And then I got another, but a different, they had year 1 and year 2 kind of, or early release 1, release 2. So that's another grid. So, let me see if there's anything else like that down here. Oh yeah, hold on. Oh yeah, yikes. Oy. Alright, my back. So, I also picked up some more dots. That's one of the other versions. So, you have that dots, and then you have this dots. And, of course, there's 2. And then, the handwriting lines. I love this to practice handwriting. So, and then lastly, more handwriting lines. And both of those were in 2s. So, whenever these things go on sale, these things I know I will use, I will buy and, stock up. Alright, so here is a few more of the tags. So these are the humongous. These are humongous. These are the, includes 10, 5.5 by 10.5 inch tags. These make great gifts. You can make mini albums with these. These are fantastic. And then I have some others. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the black. And then that one in the black. So I buy things in fours, one for each one of our children and their spouse, and then one for my husband and I. So yes. And I know you're going to say, well, what about the baby? Well, she's going to be in with the other, with her mommy and daddy. So at first I was doing everything separately, and then I realized I can't afford to do everything separately. What am I doing? So, and of course this wasn't without a tremendous sale, and I can't remember, it wasn't Black Friday, I don't remember what I got this on, but it was a fantastic sale, and it was like special things on each day, but I kept getting all these massive coupons and invitations for this, that, and the other, so I was being very, very frugal when I did this. So I just got some more of the heart clips as dividers, because I love those, more of the bands to hold them while I'm working on them. I always use those. I love these. I love mushrooms and, critters and bees. I mean, I don't love bees. They don't love me. I'm very allergic to them. And I'm allergic to the Benadryl. And I can't afford to keep an EpiPen. So I stay away bees. But I love what they do in nature. My husband raises bees. I love it. I love the honey. I know I can eat the honey. Isn't that funny? And I did not have any of the new Darling Critters, her newest releases. And my husband doesn't like unicorns. He makes this big thing about unicorns. So I told him, I said, well, I can take that off. I can make it a horse. And he's like, okay. I can do unicorns for my niece, but for him, anyways, and I love this giraffe. Isn't she pretty with her eyelashes? And then you've got a darling zebra, and look at that elephant with the chubby little nose. It's so cute. The more I see of man, the more I love animals. Every animal knows more than you do, exclamation point. That's so cute. I believe in unicorns. Okay. So I thought these were charming to add. And then I have been wanting these stencils forever. I still don't have these stamps. I would love to have these stamps. I think this one is it, I can't remember, Maisie? Which one is this one? Is it going to say Martha? Martha. This is Martha. I don't know if you can see her, but she's so cute. And I love it. So plus it comes, so I'll give you that view. Let me see. There you go. You also get a heart, if you guys can see that. I think that's cute. And then this one is Maisie. Alright, I knew one of them was Maisie. And isn't that cute with her short little hair? And then you get like a keyhole. So I think these are darling. So you can use the cutout as well as the stencil or silhouette. So I love that. Now, got a little bit more, and then we're almost done, my friends. And just so you know, my back just said, hurry up! So I have some more tags here, more of the, there's 26 1/4 by 3 1/4, and these are all the manila tags. And then I also picked up 2 sets of the craft same, oh, there's 3 sets. Oh, love that. Of the craft same size. So, and these are also great gifts if you have like grandchildren. You could print them out pictures and decorate it, and they could carry it with them in their backpack or whatever. You could make the cutest little albums. You could make grandparent, I think they call them brag books, the grandparent books. These are perfect size for that. And then I picked up some one of the variation, and that was it. All the different sizes, and there's 18 pieces in this. Guys, these are some of the best tags that are out there, unless you're making them yourself, which I think that's always the route to go. But if you find them and they're on sale, and it's a really good deal, and it's cheaper than what you can make them for, then buy them on sale. So, alright friends, or if you're just running out of time. Okay friends, I hope your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I hope you like this. Get on their mailing list. I know during the coronavirus, they have been teaching classes online. They've been doing all kinds of things. I have not made it to one, I'm embarrassed to say. But I will tell you that they have phenomenal artists. They have phenomenal classes. And, yeah, I'm kicking myself right now. Yes, I am. I'm telling you right now. So, anyways. All right, friends. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Welcome, new friends. Come, say hello. We'd love to say hi back. And most importantly, guys, God loves you, and so do I. Y'all have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.